Vario and MJ Performance Parts and Accessories. We are located at Terbukti Street, South Philippines, Barangay Rizal, Pinacola Rizal. For this video, I want to show you how this my Winglet, made in Indonesia, works and function. See this one. This item was crafted by my friends from Indonesia, and I am the Vario supporters and Vario community of Indonesia. This Vario NJ Performance Parts and Accessories, I want to show you how this Winglet works. Now I open it. I will turn on my Winglet. This one have three types of lights. Light bulb. One is blinking. One is high. One is low. This. Take videos from side to side. MJ Performance Parts and Accessories.